Welcome back, guys. We are in the garden. Just a bit of a quick update. And these are the experiments that I had of the romaine lettuce. That's what was left on the inside. I had them growing in cups. Basically, it was just an experiment, so I've just added those to the garden, just to kind of get rid of them. And if the rabbits that we have are coming through the garden right now, they can have a little snack if they want to. So just a bit of an update. The squash here, can't remember the name of these, butternut squash, I believe. These things are getting pretty big. So, about the width of my hand. Quite big, lots of them, absolutely lots of them. The only thing is there is still that bit of a fungus growing on the leaves. Tomatoes are fine. Peppers seem to be fine. We had some rain recently, so that's why I'm out here right now, just kind of going through everything. Zucchini is unfortunately starting to get some of that mold on it, just because the plants are way too close. It's one of the things I'll probably cover in another video about spacing in your garden. And the pumpkin, should be able to see that one there. There's 3 of those. And the beets. The sun is hitting the right angle right now. You guys should see lots of color. These beets look a little small. Not gonna lie, they look a little small. Not exactly very big, but this is the first year of us growing them in this garden. So, a lot of experiments going on this summer. And the beans, these are yellow beans, as I've come to find out. These, if I can find one. Ooh, this looks like a good one. Yeah, so hopefully you guys see that. That's really long. That's probably a good, I don't know, 5 inches, 6 inches maybe. I think these are actually about ready to be picked. I might even be able to be picked right now, but I have to double check on that. And the cucumbers, these are actually pickling cucumbers, so you'll be able to tell by the texture on them. Get up close there. These should actually be picked when they're really small, probably, I don't know, let's say 3 to 4 inches big. And basically you just pick them early and, you pickle them, right? Turn the cucumbers into pickles. And that's something I haven't done yet, but it's something I'm very interested in doing. So these ones, because they're so large, probably can't do that with unless I slice them, or we just peel them and put them in salads. And over here we have, this is the mystery one. Experimenting with seeds, whatever grows, basically we just throw it in the garden and eat whatever it is. So if it's something that we don't particularly like, well, oh well. Corn, I'm sure you guys can see the tops here. Just gonna quickly go around. So again, I have to do a lot of weeding on this stuff. Now you guys can see I did a little bit of a pocket here, which is nice. Got a bit of a chunk taken out of it. And that is just a quick update on how things are growing. I have been picking some radishes. I'll actually go over there right now and see how those are looking, and give you a quick update on the bathtub that I mentioned, probably in one of my other videos. And basically I'll just keep it rolling and come up with some other episode topics. And even though the summer is basically coming to an end. There is a lot of videos, still a lot of videos that I can produce before the summer is over, and basically give you guys a lot of information to digest over the winter, and that will help you in prepping throughout the winter for the spring next season to potentially have your own hobby garden and maybe turn it into something more.